This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Ikea released so many new products this summer. We covered some of them in my last video, but of course, I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Man, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first new Ikea find I have for you today is the KUDDLAVA Table lamp. Now I have to tell you, I screamed when I saw this one. I've seen similar lamps at Anthropologie and Zara Home, and to actually be able to get it as a budget version at Ikea too is a dream. This pleated table lamp spreads the softest mood lighting. It's made out of recycled pleated plastic that actually looks like paper and is topped with a decorative knob made of solid wood. It looks so aesthetic, plus it comes at a great price point for $14.99. Right from the start, 10 out of 10. Another lamp that's new at Ikea this summer is this rice paper lampshade with bamboo details. Now, if you are into rice paper lampshades, this one is such a beautiful find. The bamboo details give it such a nice twist, and it's perfect for anywhere around your home, from the living room to the dining room, even the bedroom or hallway. Loving it so much. Now, speaking of bedrooms, a new Ikea bed for this summer is the MANDAL Bed frame with storage. This one is made out of solid wood and comes with 4 spacious drawers underneath that are perfect for that extra storage we all need. It's so minimal and so sleek, yet can hold so much, which I really appreciate. This one comes in 2 sizes, full and queen, so you can choose what fits best for you. Another new Ikea product this summer is the RÅDMANSÖ Nightstand. This one looks so mid-century with sleek lines, great functionality, and a warm walnut tone. It has a drawer with a brass knob, plus a shelf with a cable management pocket to hide your cords, which I love so much. Now, another new nightstand at Ikea this summer is the STORKLINTA Nightstand, which now comes in this beautiful grey-green shade. This version of the STORKLINTA chest of drawers exudes a natural harmony and balance with a calm grey-green color, and it's a limited edition, so if you like it, you should definitely hurry up to get it. It also comes in a 3 and 6 drawer chest, and they are all easy on the budget. Another old Ikea product that was given a new look this summer is the LISABO dining table, which now comes in black too. I just love this one in black so much, and I can't wait to see it in stores. Now let's take a quick break so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace, which is this all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs to stand out and succeed online. You know how I'm all about making things beautiful and aesthetic and just well put together? Well, Squarespace is exactly that for your online presence. One of my absolute favorite things about them is their cutting-edge design intelligence tools. With their intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can literally design anything. It's like creating creating a mood board for your website. And you don't need to be a tech wizard for it. And if you're anything like me and you're dreaming of turning your passion into a little side hustle or a full-blown business, you just have to check out their online store features. Whether you offer services, sell products, or do both, Squarespace gives you everything you need to grow your business and get paid all in one place. You can create a beautifully designed website or online store that showcases your brand and engages customers. Plus, with easy online payments and built-in tools for inventory, shipping, and fulfillment, you can simplify your workflow and give your customers a seamless shopping experience. So what are you waiting for? Head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebyman to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new Ikea finds. The next new Ikea find I have for you is this bar stool made out of solid wood. I just love the look of this one so much. It's so minimal and so Scandinavian, and the black metal details make it look so interesting. Plus, you can adjust the height, which is so practical and so smart. Another new bar stool at Ikea this summer is the simple RÄVSTEN bar stool. This one is made out of rubber wood, which gives it such a genuine feel and a hard-wearing surface that will last for years. It comes in natural wood and black and at a great price point for $40. A new Ikea collection for the hallway is the KALLSÖ collection. There are a few new products in this collection, and we're starting off with this storage bench. This one features a traditional, timeless, and robust design with a naturally warm wood feel. It takes care of everyday hallway needs. You can store your belongings in the drawers, set your bag on top, and even use it as a seat. The top drawer is perfect for smaller items like keys and bags, while the bottom one is great for larger items like shoes and hats. Plus, it's made out of solid pine, which makes it super durable. Another product from this same collection is this bench with open storage. This one comes at $79.99 and looks so good. It can hold approximately 6 pairs of shoes, and you can place several benches next to each other if you want to add room for more. The natural wood surface combined with a gray stain lets the wood's grain shine through, making this bench look so natural and so good. And the last new product from this collection is this hat/coat rack. And again, another solid wood product that's durable, timeless, and made especially for small spaces. Loving it. Another new Ikea product this summer is this beautiful bedspread. This one comes in 2 color options, this beigey green and a pink one, and I love both of them. Another one is this cotton bedspread in white. This one is a bit more elegant and is such a simple way to freshen up the look of your bedroom. A new Ikea throw I really love is this jacquard woven throw with 2 sides. This one has such a unique design with large flowers in dark orange on one side and white on the other. It looks so cool, almost like a piece of art. And we're finishing off with Ikea's new ceiling fans that are just perfect for this warm season ahead. This first one is this dark gray, almost black one that looks so elegant. It has 6 speeds, built-in LED lighting that is dimmable and can be controlled by a remote control, which is so smart. And lastly, a more budget-friendly option is this white one in a more traditional style. Just pull the chains to adjust the 3 speeds and control the lighting, and the reversible airflow offers nice year-round comfort. This one comes at a great price point for only $39.99. And that's a wrap for today. Do you have a favorite new IKEA find? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to check out part 1 of this video for even more new IKEA finds for this summer. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars is sleeping all the time, as you can see. Let's go check him out. Mars. Hey buddy, just wake up to say bye. Just wake up to say bye, please. Follow me on Instagram for all of the updates. Love you guys. See you next week. Bye. Thank you.